Welcome to the fourth of 6 videos about Lintech's RPC series remotely controlled panel boards. This video will discuss the initial setup of your RPC panels. Please review the first 3 videos in this series to ensure your system is installed and operating properly and that the scan for breakers accurately represents each panel. Once your RPC system is installed, open your web browser and enter the IP address from the LCD display on the controller. As noted in our previous videos, the default username is admin and the password is PW. You can change these defaults later. After you've successfully connected and logged into the web interface, you'll be at the status page. Here you can view the real-time status of breakers in the center with global controls to the left and zones to the right. Across the top, you can navigate the other parts of the interface with tabs. Now, let's look at the Control tab. You'll notice it looks like the status page we saw when we first logged in. However, the buttons for breakers and zones are now clickable. Click a rounded breaker button to toggle it on or off. Click a zone button to initiate an on or off sequence. Let's focus on the Setup Panels tab. It is the page used to set up the behavior of your RPC system. On the far right, there are 12 color-coded zones. For each zone, choose that the breakers are to turn on sequenced or grouped. Selecting sequence places time delays between breakers. Selecting grouped turns breakers on in quick succession. To assign breakers to a zone, select the Edit Radio button and then select the breaker. The address column for that breaker becomes color-coded too. Notice that as breakers are assigned, you also are creating a sequence. The sequence order is easily edited by simply clicking on the breaker and using the up and down arrows. To select a new sequence position from the same dialog box, you may edit the timing between steps or remove a breaker from a zone. Optionally, the description box may be used to hold a short string of text describing the controlled load. You can also name the zones if you wish. In addition to showing the zone color, the number in the address column is shown for programming external controllers, such as TCP/IP, RS-232, or DMX. Options for circuit and addressing schemes are shown on the left. That's it for the basic setup and operation of the RPC software, but additional settings and features are available. On the Setup Network page, you can set the LAN settings and external control protocol options. On the Setup home page, job information can be stored, clock settings changed, the default password changed, and you can print hard copies of your setup for archival purposes. On the Setup Schedules page, automatic zone on and off commands may be programmed according to the time of day. Basic software setup is now complete. Refer to the manual shipped for the panel or download the manual at lintech.com for more information. In Part 5 of this RPC series, we will discuss contact closures and power settings.